Let me quickly show you how you can get $200, which is equivalent to 0.003 BTC on this particular website. This is free. You get it for free. Last year I was paid $295, which is equivalent to 3,500 Ghana cedis, and I withdrew it through my mobile money. Yes, just for free, without investing a dime on this particular website. This is really free. Every year they just do it, so make sure you also partake in this activity. Okay, this is for Binance users and non-Binance users. If you are not a Binance user, the only thing you have to do is that you become a Binance user. And how do you become a Binance user? You can just check through the video description. The link to the registration or signing up to be a Binance user is there. Just tap on the link to sign up on Binance and also verify your KYC. That is, you just verify your identities and take a facial verification and verify yourself to be a Binance user. Then you also start performing this activity, which is free, and you earn this free $200 directly into your mobile money or any payment method that will be assigned to your Binance account. When you click on the link, it will land you here, and you see we have a sign up here. You click on the sign up. So once the sign up page is opened, then you can see it says welcome to Binance. Okay, so here you just use your phone number to register on the Binance. Okay, use your phone. You have email and phone number, but I will strictly recommend and advise you to use your phone number to register on Binance. So your phone number, then once you are done, then you click on the next button here. Then verification code will be sent to you. 6-digit verification code will be sent to you. Wait for it to be prompted on your phone. Then you copy and paste the link in the text box here. Okay, so you can see you copy the link, then you paste it here. Okay, once it is pasted, then automatically you'll be asked to create your password, and the password requirements are it should be 8 characters long, at least one number, and at least one uppercase letter. Okay, so then you select or you enter your password that meets all these requirements. Then you click on next. So once you are done, you see that the referral ID is here. The referral ID is here. That's my referral ID will be here. It says linked. Okay, then you click on this check button to receive update. Okay, a marketing update from Binance. Then you click on the next button here, then you are good to go. Okay, so once you have set up your Binance account, then you have to use the Binance app to complete your KYC. But for the sake of this video and this activity, you can just go straight forward to also start sharing your referral link to people to also register through your link. Then you start earning more on this. Okay, so this is how it goes. So you can see when you create your account, you are at 1.43%. Okay, you are at 1.43%. So you see, you are after successfully creating my account, Binance has credited me with 40.69%, which means I have to use my link. So you have to click on the invite link here to use your link to let people also register through your link. And when they register through your link by using their mobile phone number, then the more people register through your link, the more this bar fills. And when this bar fills to be 100%, then you receive your 0.003 BTC, which is equivalent to $200. Then you withdraw it to your payment method that you use when registering on the Binance app. Okay, so if you want to share your invite link, you can see it says invite friend. You click on the invite friend button here, then you see here, you see your light referral ID and your light referral link. You just tap on the share button. You tap on the share button to share it to your friends, okay, on your various social media platforms, either WhatsApp, Facebook, or any of the social media platform that you are using. Okay, then you copy and share your your link to them to also register, so as to help you get more people and receive your 0.03 BTC. This is very nice. This is very simple. Okay, so once you have become a Binance user, at the Binance menu icon section there, you just scroll down and you see activities, or better still, you see referral. Then you click on the referral. When you click on the referral, you see we have the light referral and the standard referral. Then you click on the light referral. When you click on the light referral, you can see this is the promotion that is going on just by performing an activity. An activity you are going to perform is that you use your link to register people to be on the Binance community. When they become members on the Binance community through your link, then your accumulated earnings will fill up. When you get the 0.003 BTC, then you draw it through your mobile money. This activity or promotion will end on 7th of next month. That's 7th of next month, 7th of May 2024. So you have this whole days to join this activity. Then also make sure that you register a lot of people through your link to become members on the Binance. That they register through your link, or they sign up through your link, they verify their KYC, so that it boosts your earnings or your accumulated earnings, so as to help you withdraw your $200 when it reaches 0.003 BTC. Okay, this is very simple, and the rules is that if you use your light referral link for your friend to register or sign up on Binance, make sure your friend completes the KYC. It is either he or she complete KYC or perform his or her first trade by just investing $100 and above on the Binance. So I know the simple one is that you just let your friend sign up, then he or she complete the KYC. That's all. And the more you refer people on Binance through your light referral link, the more accumulated funds you get, and you reach the 0.03 BTC. This is very simple. No need for any investment, no stress. The only thing you have to do is that you copy your link, you share it to your social media platform like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, or X, and other social media platforms. And your friends, if they are not Binance users, they create an account and verify with KYC. And if your friends are Binance users, they still trade sports trading by just investing $100 on spot trading, and it boosts or increases your accumulated earnings. This is very simple. Last year I was paid $295, and this year left with some small for me to complete my $200, and this is very simple. It's free. Just take advantage of this, grab this opportunity, and just do it. It's just free. Just do it, and you just let your people register through your link, and you are done. And after the campaign, you are going to be credited with $200 or 0.003 BTC in your Binance account, and you can withdraw it, and you just use it to do whatever that you want to do. If you find this video to be interesting, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the talk take. That is the talk of the take.